Great herds dominated by the Nelore, systems of production each time more efficient, and genetics circulating by the country entire. But the history of the livestock in the Brazil began much before of this. Before of the arrival massive of the Zebus in the century 20, the cattle that occupied the interior of the country was a cattle tiring that passed centuries being molded by the own environment Brazilian. Between these breeds, one of the most important was the Caracu. During much time, the Cara stood present in several regions of the country, was an animal used for practically everything, meat, milk, traction, and transport. But with the advance of the breed Zebusen, especially of the Nelore, the Cara lost space and almost disappeared of many regions. And is justly there that searches a question interesting. If the Cara passed centuries itself adapting to the Brazil, for what that he ended up being substituted by other breeds? We'll see that the breed really has limitations productive. We'll see that the problem was lack of selection genetic, or we'll see that simply the system of production changed and left the Cara for behind. Today, the people goes analyze this breed with calm, not only its qualities, but principally the challenges that the Cara faces inside of the livestock modern, production, resistance, fertility, competition with other breeds, and which can be the true future of this genetics Brazilian. 1. The origin of a tyrene molded by the Brazil. For understand the challenges of the Caracu, first we need return some centuries in the history. The Cara not was born in a laboratory of improvement genetic modern. He was born practically together with the own livestock Brazilian. The first bovines arrived to the Brazil with the colonizers Portuguese in the century 10. These animals came principally of the Peninsula Iberian and went themselves spreading by the territory conforming the country was occupied. In that epoch not existed nothing of that today we consider livestock modern. Not there was supplementation mineral organized, control sanitary efficient, improvement genetic structured, management intensive of pastures. The animals simply were loose in great areas and needed survive by account own. To the long of centuries, only the individuals more resistant managed themselves reproduce. The more sensitive to the heat, to the diseases, or to the conditions difficult simply disappeared. This process of selection natural, extremely strong, ended up creating a type of cattle very particular, a tyrene that managed something rare in the livestock world, adapt itself to the climate tropical, was so that itself formed the Caracu, an animal that learns to deal with heat intense, long walks behind of water, pastures irregular, pressure of parasites. During much time, this cattle dominated the interior of the Brazil, but this same history of adaptation also explains part of the challenges that the breed faces today, because the Cara was molded for survive in systems very different of the livestock modern, and when the system changed, the reality of the breed also changed. 2. The first great challenge, compete with the Nelore. Perhaps the greatest challenge of the Caracu today be simply compete with the breed that dominates, the livestock Brazilian, the Nelore. To a part of the beginning of the century 20, the Brazil began to import great quantities of cattle Zebusen of the India. Between these breeds, the Nelore ended up itself highlighting very rapidly, and not was by chance. The Zebus presented characteristics that themselves fitted perfectly in the conditions Brazilian: great resistance to the heat, high tolerance to parasites, capacity of produce pastures poor, facility of adaptation in different regions of the country. With the pass of the decades, the Nelore passed by a process intense of selection genetic. Today exist thousands of breeders selecting the breed, programs advanced of improvement, great availability of semen and embryos. This created something very powerful in the livestock, scale genetic. When a breed dominates the major part of the herd national, all the system begins to turn in around of her. The slaughterhouses know the product, the producers know the management, the market understands the performance of these animals. In this scenario, any other breed needs offer an advantage very clear for conquer space, and is justly there that the Caracu faces his first great challenge. He is a tyrene adopted to the Brazil, but still needs compete with an animal that passed more than 100 years being selected exactly for these same conditions. 3. The challenge of the productivity and of the gain of weight. Other point important when it self-analyzes the Caracu is the question of the productivity inside of the systems modern of livestock. The livestock of cut today is each time more oriented by numbers. The producer begins to look for factors like gain of weight daily, age of slaughter, conversion alimentary, yield of carcass. How much more fast the animal arrives to the weight of slaughter, smaller tends to be the cost of production. And in this point surges a challenge for the Karakou. During great part of the history of the breed, the selection was turned much more for rusticity and survival of the Karakou than for performance productive intensive. This not means that the Karakou be an animal unproductive. Much by the contrary, he can produce animals heavy with good musculature and meat of good quality, but in many systems commercial, he can present gain of weight a little more slow when compared to breeds highly selected for production of meat. While some lineages modern of cattle of cut manage reach weight of slaughter more early, the Karakou many times needs of more time in the pasture for arrive to the same result. And in a livestock each time more competitive, each month additional of creation can represent costs greater for the producer. For compete in systems modern, many breeders have invested in programs of selection genetic inside of the own breed, trying increase characteristics like precocity, gain of weight, efficiency productive. But this process takes time, and while he happens, the Karakou continues facing the pressure of compete with breeds that passed decades being selected exactly for this type of performance. 4. The challenge of the climate extreme and of the parasites. Even being a taurine adapted to the Brazil, the Karakou still faces limitations when the environment itself turns extremely hard. The Brazil possesses regions very different between themselves. There are areas of climate more mild, like parts of the south and of the southeast, but also exist regions where the heat, the drought, and the parasites are much more intense. In places the breed's zebuine tend to take advantage. The Nelore, for example, possesses characteristics biological that help much in this type of environment. Greater tolerance to the heat, better resistance to the tick, greater efficiency in posture's tropical poor. These characteristics are a result of thousands of years of evolution in regions hot of the Asia. The Karakou, by other side, passed centuries itself adapting to the Brazil, but still carries a base genetic taurine. This means that in some situations of climate very severe, he can present greater sensitivity to the heat extreme, greater pressure of parasites, necessity of management a little more careful. By cause of this, in regions very hot of the country, many producers end up opting for systems based principally in zebus. This not once say that the Karakou not works, but shows that depending of the environment, he can face a level of competition very high inside of the livestock tropical. And this is takes to other challenge important of the breed, the scale of selection genetic. 5. The challenge of the scale genetic. Other challenge important of the Karakou is something that many times passes unnoticed, scale genetic. In the livestock modern, the breeds that dominate the market count with structures enormous of improvement. Exist thousands of animals evaluated all the years, programs advanced of selection genetic, centrals of insemination producing great quantity of semen, many breeders selecting the best individuals. This process accelerates much the progress genetic. Is justly this that happened with the Nelore in the last decades. Today exist lineages selected for gain of weight, precocity sexual, fertility, quality of carcass. The Karakou also possesses programs of improvement, but the scale is still smaller. This means that the advanced genetic happens in a rhythm more slow when compared to the breeds dominant of the livestock Brazilian. And in a sector where genetics turned practically an industry, scale makes much difference. 6. Perhaps the greatest challenge of the Karakou today, not be only productive, is strategic. Inside of the livestock modern, each breed needs have a role very clear, some themselves to stack by their rusticity extreme, other by the production of meat, other by the production of milk. The Karakou possesses many qualities important: good fertility, ability maternal, adaptation to the climate Brazilian, good production of meat, but he ends up staying in a position intermediary. He not is the most rustic of the system, not is the most precocious, nor the most numerous, and this makes with that many producers still not know exactly where the karaku itself fits better inside of the livestock modern. By other side, many specialists see a great potential of the karaku in crossings, principally because he can offer something rare, genetics taurine already adapted to the environment tropical. This can help to improve characteristics like quality of meat, fertility, heterosis in crossings with zebus. The Kakara passed almost 500 years being molded by the environment Brazilian. Few breeds in the world have a history of adaptation so long inside of a same country. But the livestock changed. Today she is more technological, more competitive, and much more oriented by efficiency productive. In this scenario, the challenge of the Kakara not is only survive, is prove where he can generate more value inside of the system. Perhaps as breed pure, perhaps as base for crossings, or perhaps as a reserve genetic extremely valuable for the future of the livestock tropical. Because to the times that seems only part of the history, in the truth can be one of the pieces most important of the future of the livestock Brazilian.